Hello everyone, hopefully you guys are doing good, right? So in this we're gonna ask our user for input, right? So before we start, let me tell you one thing about input, right? That input always takes data or values as string, right? So now maybe you guys are thinking string, how? Let me show you the screen, right? So it's like the screen. Let's get in the screen, and here we go, right? So as we all know, I will start from creating message, right? So it's like hello Anand, right? And now let's take a input from the user, right? So let's take a variable name, right? And input, sorry, input, right? And this is the way we enter the value, right? And because here are, you can see here double quotes, that's why string, sorry, input always takes data or values as string, right? And now print name, and here we go. Sorry, yep, here we go. Hello Anand, and what I'm going to say, animal. So animal input is animal 9, right? So now if we want to take any integer as input, then we have to use the method of typecasting, right? Now you guys are thinking what is typecasting. Let me show you. So for that I'm going to take a variable as num, right? And typecasting first, like in this way. As because we have to take integer value as input, then int, then input, and here view, this way enter the integer, right? And print, and we can also check the type of this, right? So and num, right? Now, and at the last we can also print this number. So here we go, and let's this comment out by control and slash. Here we go, done. And now this term into the integer 2 3 random number, and here we go 23 and int, right? And we can also add some number on this, like this way, num plus I would say 3, right? So let's print this stuff. I'm going to put here 5, so here we go 8. That's it's damn simple. And now you guys may be thinking that how we can input multiple data or values, right? So yes, it is possible, but not in this way. uh, we will talk about that in the upcoming videos, right? So for now, uh, all good, see you in the next one.